Hello students, I hope you all are fit and fine and keeping yourself healthy. Now in this video, we will start with a new chapter for Standard 6 Computer. The chapter name is Word Processor Tabular Presentation. Now in this video, we will see how to create tables, how to edit a table and many more things. So let us continue with the video. So in this chapter we will talk about tables, how to make tables, how to insert tables in Microsoft Word, that is MS Word. So before we look into it, let us see why tables are important in MS Word or in a document. Now we need to present information in a tabular manner because it makes the content more visually appealing and more elaborative. A table is a grid of rows and columns that intersect to form cells. Now let me explain this. As you can see on the screen, there is a table given. Now in this table, if you see, there are 8 small rectangular boxes. Now these all rectangular boxes are called cells. Now as you can see, I am writing some numbers inside each rectangular boxes, and these each rectangular boxes are considered as cell. So in this table, how many cells are there? In total there are 8 cells. Now as it is said that a table is a grid of rows and columns. Now what are rows in a table? Now if we consider the first two cells, that is cell number 1 and cell number 2, it becomes one row. Same way, when we take this third cell and fourth cell, see, cell when it is taken horizontally, that is from left to right or right to left, it is said as row. Now this is the second row, just now I colored, that is the combining the third cell and the fourth cell, it become a second row. Same way, this can be said as third row, that is combining the fifth cell and the sixth cell, and this can be said as the last one, it can be said as the fourth row. So the yellow one is the first row, then that maroon color, that is third and fourth cell combining horizontally, it becomes the second row, then combining fifth and sixth cell, it becomes third row, and combining seventh and eighth cell, it becomes fourth row. That means in this table there are 4 rows. Rows means it is taken horizontally. Now what are columns? Now columns are always vertical. When we take the cells vertically from top to bottom, these are called columns. Now I will color one column. Now in this table there are 2 columns. I will color this. Now here, combining this 1, 3 and 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, this cell, it becomes one column, and combining these 2, 4, 6, 8, these 4 cells, it becomes the second column. So as I said, horizontally there are 4 rows in this table, and vertically these are called columns. So how many columns are there in this table? There are 2 columns. And how many rows are there in this table? There are 4 rows. Now each rectangular boxes where I have put the number, these are called cells. Now these cells, columns, rows, these are made by the lines given, the black lines given. Now these lines are called grid lines. These lines are called grid lines. Using these grid lines, a table is made. So the table which is shown here, it contains 4 rows and 2 columns. Now including the first 2 cells horizontally, it is the first row. Same way the second row and the third row and the fourth row is shown here on the screen. So as I said before, rows are the horizontal boxes and column are the vertical boxes. Now as you can see on the screen, this table contains 4 rows and 2 columns. Now we will learn how to create these tables. So before we go into it, you should know, dear students, that creating a table in MS Word is a very good feature. A table is inserted in the document on the place where the cursor is blinking. That means the place where we put the cursor, at that place the table begins. Okay, so now let us see how to create a table. Now as you can see on the above screen, that these are the different ribbons of MS Word, Microsoft Word. So where we need to go to create our table, that option is available on Insert menu. When you go to Insert menu, on the ribbon of Insert menu, you can see an option called Tables. Now when you click on the small button, that small triangular button of table, this particular option comes. Now in this option you can see small square boxes. Through this also we can create a table, and another option is at the down where it is written Insert Table. So both the options we will see one by one. First let us see how to create the table, how to create a table using these small square boxes. Now let us create the same table which is created at the top. That is, I am going to create a table of 4 rows and 2 columns. So what we will do, as we need to take 2 columns, so I will take 2 columns, the first 2 square boxes, that becomes 2 columns. Now I will come down. Now you can see, as I am coming down, the table is getting created automatically. Now if I click on the third column, then the fourth column, as you can see on the screen, there I have selected 4 columns and 4 rows. The same way the table is created, but just now what I said, that I am going to create a table of 2 columns and 4 rows. So same way we will take. So as you can see on the screen, I have selected 2 columns, 2 vertical lines and 4 horizontal lines, and I will click there and the table is created. Now we can resize the table accordingly, that we will see afterwards. Like we can make the table big, we can make the table small, that also we will see. So here as you can see, the table is created using the table option given in the Insert menu. Now another option is the Insert Table option. So now that we will see. For that, let us delete this table once. So now we will go to the Insert menu, Table option. Now click on Insert Table. Click on Insert Table. When I click on Insert Table, now here you can see one option comes. What are the option? Now the first 2 options, number of columns. The option is asking that the table which we are going to create will contain how many columns. As I said, I will put 2 columns, so I will delete this default number, that is 5. I will make it 2. I want 2 columns, and number of rows, that will be 4. Now as I put number of columns 2, number of rows 4, just click on OK given at the bottom, and again you can see the table is created. Okay. As I said, the table is inserted in the document where the cursor is placed. Therefore, it is necessary to set the position of the cursor before we insert a table into a document. Now, as you can see on the screen, the cursor is placed at a certain point in the workspace of a document. Now what I will do, I will click on insert option. Now there are so many options. I will click on insert option. Then what I will do, I will click on the table menu given in the ribbon. I will click on table. As I click on table, a drop down list comes, and in that drop down list I will click on insert table. Now in the box given on the screen, which has come on the screen, there are two options at the top, number of columns and number of rows. So what I will do, I will put number of columns. Let us say I want to create a table of 4 columns and 4 rows. So I will write, or let us say 5 column and 4 rows. So I will put 5 column and 4 rows, and I will click on OK. Now if you see where the cursor was inserted, where the cursor was blinking, from that point the table has started and it has gone to the right hand side and to down also. Now here, as you can see, this is the first column, second column, third column, fourth column, and this is the fifth column. And same way, this is the first row, this is the second row, and this is the third row, and this one is the fourth row. That means a table of 5 columns and 4 rows is created. Now this is the way we can insert a table, and we can create a table using the table menu given in insert option. So till now it is clear, I think, my dear students, that how to create a table. Okay, now we will look into the different options, like how to edit a table, how to resize a table, etc., etc. Students, we can decorate our table by using different colorful styles on the table. Now how it can be done? Now to do this, just put the cursor inside the table on any cell and then go to the design menu given at the top. As you click on design menu given at the top, an option comes on the screen with the name table styles. Now when you click on the table style, you can see there are different table styles given by the company, which is integrated with the table style option. Now these are the different table style. You can choose it according to your choice. Now as I have chosen this particular table style in my case, now you can change the style again. Now if you don't want this, you want another, just go on selecting and the same thing appears on the screen. Now this is the way what you can do. You can choose a table style according to your choice. Here the topic, how to create a table and how to put different styles on a table, comes to an end. In the next video, we will see how to edit tables in MS Word, that is how to insert rows, columns, and many more things. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and keep yourself healthy. Thank you.